everybody. So one of the things that we haven't finalized in talking about quadratics is that there are these two forms, and they actually work together in a sense. They look very different. So one is called the vertex form, and one is called standard form. And we've done everything pretty much in this standard form. And the vertex form is kind of nice because if it's sitting in this format, this h here, and you pull it out as its opposite. So if it's -2, you pull that out as +2. If it's +2, you pull that out as -2. And the k identify your vertex, which is either the high point on the curve or the low point on the curve. For the standard form, it's -b over 2a, and then you take that -b over 2a and you plug it into the function and you do f of -b over 2a. So let's demonstrate, and I'm going to point out that we're going to get the same vertex, and I'm going to show you that this vertex formula will convert to a standard formula and we'll end up with the same vertex. So suppose f of x is 2 times the quantity x minus 4 squared plus 1. Well, just by looking at this, we can see that the vertex is 4, 1. Remember, you pull out the opposite of what's inside that set of parentheses. So I have it squared, so I write it twice. And then I'm going to FOIL this out, leaving the 2 here. So I'm going to end up with x squared minus 4x minus 4x plus 16. I'm going to combine those two, and I'm going to have -8x, and I'm going to take this 2 and distribute it through. So I will have 2x squared minus 16x plus 32, and I still have this plus 1. When I simplify it a bit more, I have 2x squared minus 16x plus 33. And now we're going to travel over here using this in standard form and show you that we get the 4, 1 from the formula above. So remembering that 2 is the A, 16 is the B, actually -16 is the B, and then 33 is the C. So we're going to take x is equal to -b over 2a, and just as a side note, that is also referred to as the axis of symmetry. So the vertex sits on the axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry is this vertical line. We don't draw it in the graph. You'll always see it as a dotted line. And it divides the parabola into equal halves. So the left half matches the right half. Okay, so I have this -b over 2a. Well, 16 is negative, so I make it positive when I pop it in there because it's saying change the sign of the b. And then I have 2a. Well, a is my 2, so I have 2 times 2. And so I have 16 over 4. 16 over 4 is 4. Notice we have the 4's matching. Now we take this 4, and it's telling us plug that 4 into the function in place of the x's. All right, so I'm going to take the 4, I'm going to put it there, I'm going to put it there. I'm going to replace the x's with it. That's what that notation is telling us to do. So I'm now going to have 2 times 4 to the second power minus 16 times 4 plus 33. Well, 4 squared is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. 4 times 16 is 64. And I take 32 minus 64, and I'm going to have -32 plus 33, and I get 1. Well, I have the same vertex as what I had over here. So the vertex form of a parabola, you can pull the vertex out just right away. All right, I hope that helps.